Hey folks, it is cold out there, about as cold as we ever see in the month of March. We missed the record by 1 for today. As we talked about earlier, that wind chill advisory remains in effect until 9 o'clock tomorrow morning for all 4 counties of the valley. So even though temperatures are in the 30s, even low 40s, it feels about 10 degrees colder than that. That's the wind chill, the impact the wind has taken heat off of your body. And so you're looking at 39 here in Weslaco right now. Everybody else right around 40 or so, 43 in McAllen. And in the wind chill, here's what it feels like. And these have come up a little bit from earlier today because the wind's dying down just a little bit and the temperatures are going up just a little bit. The rain has gone away for the most part, and that's allowing temperatures to go up a little across the area. Low temperatures tonight, no cooler than the mid-30s across the area. The island about 41 degrees there, 37 in Brownsville. 34 in Rio Grande City. You see a lot of 36s on that map. And then tomorrow, back around 50 or so, with those northerly winds continuing. Not as strong as today, but still a pretty good breeze out there most of the day tomorrow as well. Not a lot in the way of rainfall. I think it's a mainly dry day, except maybe right at the coast. 49, 56, 76 the next 3 days. The normal high is 78. And just about as fast as we turn the heater off, we're turning it right back on by the end of the week. And we'll be back in the 70s on Thursday and probably in the 80s by Friday, and maybe even near 90 on Saturday. Clouds are thick over the area. No signs of any breaks to speak of out there. Future Track tries to break the clouds overnight, but I'll tell you what, the atmosphere is just socked in. It's going to be hard for that to happen. Clouds are going to dominate. And while there could be some breaks, I think it's a cloud-dominated night, cloud-dominated day. Wednesday looks like a lot of clouds as well. Still pretty chilly, although Wednesday we're back in the 50s. And then Thursday with that southeast wind kicking in, then some breaks, and then maybe temperatures climb back in the mid-70s. About a 40% chance of some coastal drizzle in the morning, 20% on Wednesday. Just don't see much, and Thursday should be a mainly dry day. The rest of South Texas looks this way right now. While we're at 40 down here, it's 43 in Laredo, 35 in San Antonio, Victoria 36, and Houston 37. Bigger picture shows Dallas has dropped into the 20s, as has Lubbock. A little colder when you get farther north. Oklahoma City tonight at 17 degrees. Clouds have been thick across the area all day, and they're likely to be tonight and tomorrow as the high pressure continues to build down in. A north wind here at the surface, southwest wind in the upper atmosphere, and that just socks the clouds in, and they refuse to go anywhere. You go into Wednesday, the high begins to move away. The southeast wind kicks in. That brings more moisture in, so humidity goes up, and there's still clouds around. And again, maybe an isolated sprinkle, but not much more than that. This front on the map's not going to get here, but there will be one coming from the west that'll be knocking on the door over the weekend. Not going to have a big impact, though. We'll continue a warming trend even with that. In the Bay, north to northeast winds, 15 to 25 knots, choppy. You saw a small craft advisory in effect. So your first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast for tonight, 36 for a low, windy, drizzly, cold, wind chill advisory in effect. That's in effect till 9 a.m. Then tomorrow, spotty rain early, mainly along the coast. The day dominated by clouds, a high of only 49, which is about 10 degrees warmer than it was this afternoon. So that's a step up. Wednesday, 56 for a high. Look at Thursday, 76, and then the weekend, 84, 89. A little bit of a cool down, but not dramatic for Sunday and Monday. This is the weekend, by the way, that you spin that clock forward 1 hour before you go to bed on Saturday night. So wind chill advisory in effect until 9 a.m. tomorrow. It's still kind of chilly out there.
Yes, but the flip-flops, we can still wear them today. Definitely wear them over the weekend.
Yes, absolutely. By the weekend, we're right back where we were. Just a couple of days of winter, and then we're back to normal.
We have winter here.
Just for a day.
Just a few days.
Yep, enjoy.
That's weather. Now let's get on over to sports.